Hey, what's up everybody? Wes here with another video. Thanks for tuning in. This is my 21 Tacoma with a small lift. We just put this 2-inch front leveling kit with a 1-inch in the rear block. So it's basically a spacer lift. The tires that I have on this are 265/70 R17 BF Goodrich all-terrains, and this kit is pretty straightforward. The first component is this 2-inch leveling kit here made by Rough Country, and the whole spacer block itself is actually only 1 inch wide, but once you install it, it's going to equate to 2 inches of lift, and it's got the lock washers, everything that you need here. And then the second part of this lift are going to be some 1-inch rear blocks by Supreme Suspensions. These things are super heavy and super durable. Basically, they're going to go right up under your leaf springs, and in order to accommodate these, this Supreme Suspensions kit also comes with a longer U-bolt here, nuts and washers included. So you can see it here fully installed. You can't use your stock U-bolts because you're going to be a little bit short on those. But this is a 2-part kit. Everything that I ordered came with instructions, and these came off Amazon. Here's the instructions for the rear lift, and I got something similar for the front spacer kit by Rough Country if you're going to try to decide to install these yourself. It does have step-by-step instructions, but what this video is about is just going to have these already installed on my truck, and I'll go ahead and show you some before and after photos of different angles. Again, this is a 2021 TRD Sport, and this is 2-wheel drive. So here's my truck before in the side position, and then right after having the lift installed, you can tell it leveled it out. If I hadn't done the 1-inch blocks in the back, I think the front would have set just a little bit too high, but this is perfect. The tires cleared before, just minor rubbing if I was hitting like an extreme bump, but now those same bumps give me no problem, and I can do some moderate off-roading and have tons more room. And here's a shot of the front. It's a little bit harder to see on the front end, but the side and these rear corners are definitely a little bit easier to see the difference. So here's stock, and then here's once we bumped it up just a little bit. I definitely get a few more compliments once this was installed. Here's the Rough Country spacer lift here in the front, just so you can see that also. And it kind of looks cool. This also comes in black, but I opted in for the red. Here's our front view. You can see definitely a bigger gap on the front tires there. And then again, the 1-inch rear in the back there just kind of help level it out. So basically this is a perfect leveling kit for a Toyota Tacoma, and it's also going to give you just a little bit more of a lifted look. Again, with these 265/70 17 tires, I think this is the perfect lift. If you guys have any questions about this, definitely feel free to leave comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, consider subscribing, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.